Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today, we're going to talk about 3 pros to engineered hardwood floors. Get ready.
This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. R-E-A-L, Real Estate Explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take.
Welcome back. It's J. Lucky Henry. So today, we're going to talk about 3 pros to engineered hardwood floors. Now, engineered hardwood floors, let's just dispel a couple myths right here. Engineered hardwood floors sounds fake, right? But it's not. It's very real. Engineered hardwood floors are made of, in fact, real wood, unlike their counterparts or lookalikes, laminates. Those are not. Check that video out here if you haven't seen it, right? So engineered hardwood is made up of real wood, but let's get into 3 benefits to it, especially when comparing it to actual hardwood. So engineered hardwood is built in layers. Each layer goes a different direction, right? With a layer on top that looks just like real hardwood because, ding dong, it is real hardwood. So engineered hardwood, the 3 benefits I have to it. 1, it can be a little bit cheaper. Now, this is not a guarantee, foregone conclusion that it's always cheaper, but it can be a little bit cheaper to install than actual hardwood. Typically, the harder the wood, right, the more expensive it is to install, possibly because it's a little denser, right? Second thing, it is a better option for standing up to moisture.
Now, this does not mean it's waterproof, right? It can resist water a little bit better than hardwood, but that's partially due because the way it's designed, and we won't get into the specifics of it, but it allows for a little bit less warping than actual hardwood and laminate might because of its ingenuity, right? The third reason why I like engineered hardwood is that it can actually resist scratches marginally better than traditional hardwood. Because the layers underneath it are designed for impact and that wear and tear, it is a little bit more resistant to scratches. So to recap, it can be a little bit cheaper, oftentimes is, but not guaranteed. Not waterproof, but the closest thing to it, I guess, out of the 3. And third, it resists scratches quite well compared to its original counterpart, the actual thick slab of hardwood, all because of slightly the way it's built with the different parts going opposite directions with a slab of wood on top. So that's why I like it, right? 3 good reasons why I like it. Not saying I don't like hardwood. If you want to know the pros and cons to hardwood, check out this video here. And it's been real. It's been 90. Gotta go. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. Another way to ask me how I know it'll be okay.